The patented SAL suspension access legs have been tested and approved by Accu Industries and are used by hundreds of shops with virtually every type of computer or laser alignment system. They were evaluated and approved by the Meineke Dealers Association and are currently being used to train the next generation of automotive technicians by Universal Technical Institute, the premier training organization in the country. SALs are the complete solution to easy access to alignment adjustment points, tie rods, and control arms. SALs will fit virtually every car, van, and SUV. Say goodbye to specialty clamps for European cars, 22-inch rims, and specialty wheel systems. In fact, you do not need wheel clamps, period. SALs eliminate the need for the runout compensation procedure because they are compensated to virtual zero runout at the factory. SALs can also be placed on a car bench or frame machine to verify correct alignment prior to removal of the vehicle from the bench. SALs are a product for any situation which requires suspension adjustment, for today, for tomorrow, and for all professional shops. This is John, an instructor at the Universal Technical Institute. He will demonstrate the SALs mounting process, but first, let's take a look at the SALs system components. There are 4 basic components to the SALs: the legs, the inserts, the sensor mounting plates, and the feet. The legs support the vehicle and allow you to locate them for the correct wheel offset by using holes 1 through 6. There are 3 inserts. The 4-5 lug insert covers about 80% of the cars on the road. The SUV insert, which includes 6, 7, and 8 lug patterns, covers another 15%. Finally, the DVD insert is for Dakota, Viper, and Durango applications. The sensor mounting plates can be affixed with either male or female mounting pins for computer sensor heads. They can also be affixed by other means to mount non-computer laser systems. The rear feet are flat, while the front feet have a slight curvature to allow for camber roll when measuring caster. There are holes A through H to locate the correct ride height. Okay, let's go through the mounting procedure. Drive the car onto the alignment rack and place the transmission in neutral. Determine the ride height by measuring from the turntable surface to the hub center using the ride height bar. Jack up the vehicle and remove the tires and rims. Remove any rotor retaining washers and mount the fixture with a correct lug pattern insert installed in the fixture. Tighten down using the vehicle lug nuts. 3 lug nuts are adequate. Install the sensor mounting plates and secure with the 3 thumb screws. If your system originates the reading at zero runout, proceed to the next step. With the camera systems, rotate the targets as needed to register runout. With the outside of the tire laid flat on the floor, measure the tire width and the wheel offset using the width offset bar. Using the chart, determine which location hole 1 through 6 on the fixture is correct for the wheel offset. Then mount the pivot foot to the fixture. Make sure to use the correct ride height hole. A through H on the pivot foot is determined in step 1. Remove the turntable pin and lower the vehicle onto the turntables, thus loading the suspension onto the SALs. Slide the sensor heads onto the sensor mounting pins and secure with the thumb screws. Shake out the suspension and proceed with the alignment. You now understand the procedures behind the patented SALs. You can easily complete more alignments per day as well as reduce the risk of damaging expensive specialty rims. After all, it's the suspension we align, not the wheels. Perform complete and accurate alignments like never before. SALs will keep you and your customers on the straight and narrow.